Most people install Krisp AI but never explore the dashboard, and end up missing 80% of its power. In this video I will give you a complete Krisp AI dashboard tour so you know exactly what every setting does and where to find it. Let us start from the top. When you open Krisp you land on the main meetings page. This is your personal workspace where all your recorded meetings, transcripts, and AI notes are stored automatically. In the Meetings tab you can see every meeting Krisp has processed, with the date, time, and automatically generated title. Click any meeting to see the full transcript, AI summary, and action items. The upcoming section shows your scheduled meetings pulled from your connected calendar. If nothing is scheduled it shows your free time. The action items section is one of the most powerful features. Krisp automatically extracts tasks and follow-ups from every meeting and collects them all in one place. You never need to manually write down what needs to be done after a call. The later section lets you revisit saved or older meetings anytime. Now let us go into Settings. This is where you control everything. Under Account you can manage your profile, update your email address, and enable two-factor authentication for security. Under Meeting Assistant you control how Krisp behaves during your calls, including whether it records automatically or manually, and what notification is sent to other meeting participants. Under AI Note Taker you can toggle automatic note generation on or off and customize how your meeting summaries are formatted. Under Privacy and Consent you control how your data is handled and what permissions Krisp has. Krisp is SOC 2 certified, GDPR compliant, and HIPAA compliant, so your meeting data is fully protected. Under Calendar you can connect Google Calendar or Outlook so Krisp knows your upcoming meetings automatically. Under Language you can select your transcription language. Krisp supports over 16 languages including English, Spanish, French, German, Portuguese, Japanese, and more. Under Personalization you can customize how Krisp addresses you and formats your meeting notes. Under Vocabulary you can add up to 750 custom words, industry terms, product names, people's names, so Krisp transcribes them correctly every time. Under Integrations you can connect Krisp to your existing workflow tools. Available integrations include Slack, HubSpot, Salesforce, Zapier, Pipedrive, Microsoft Teams, Claude AI, Cursor, and more. I will cover integrations in detail in a separate video. Under Tags you can organize and label your meetings for easy searching later. Under Audio you control your microphone and speaker settings for noise cancellation. Under Accent Conversion you can enable and configure the accent conversion feature, which I will demonstrate in detail in Part 5 of this series. Under App and Notifications you control how Krisp behaves on your computer and what alerts you receive. That is the complete Krisp AI dashboard tour. Now you know exactly where every feature is and what it does. In the next video I will show you the Krisp AI noise cancellation feature with a live before and after test so you can hear the real difference yourself. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe and check the description for your free Krisp trial link. See you in the next video.